Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training, here with another drool-worthy human treat. Today we're going to be making super easy pizza. All you need to make this is a flour tortilla, spaghetti sauce, your favorite cheeses and toppings. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Spread 1 tablespoon of spaghetti sauce on a tortilla. And then you're going to top it with your favorite cheeses and toppings. So we made one for Mom and one for Dad. Mom likes veggies, so she started off by sauteing onion, garlic, and sweet red pepper together. She usually likes spinach and mushrooms, so we didn't have any left. We then topped each tortilla with mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Then we sprinkled bacon pieces on top of that cheese. Added pepperoni. Mom added her veggies. We sprinkled both with Parmesan, and then we baked for 10 to 15 minutes until the tortilla was golden brown. You want to make sure the tortilla cooks long enough or you will not have a crispy crust. Also, don't pile on too much sauce or you will have a soggy crust. Another trick is to spray your tortilla on both sides with olive oil cooking spray before putting ingredients on it to help with crispiness. We didn't do that, but ours came out crispy. Once they are done, let them cool for a couple of minutes before cutting, and they are great for a quick meal. It's also a good idea while everyone is stuck home together because each person can create their own pizza just the way they like it. And if you're a vegan like my Memaw, you can leave all the cheese and meat off and just do veggies, or you can use the vegan cheese. We've had them with just veggies and Mom says they are drool worthy. I don't know. I just know I like it when a pepperoni gets dropped near me. Well, that's all there is to making this super easy pizza. Thanks for watching, and if you liked our video, hit that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out my Facebook page where we post updates throughout the week on what I'm up to and how I'm doing since my second hip surgery. Like my Facebook page to get updates. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, say your prayers, wash your hands, and we will get through this one recipe at a time. Have a blessed week.